So what the heck is apple cider vinegar? You know, I hear that a lot. So I wanted to take you today through a couple of different recipes and show you how to use apple cider vinegar. But before we start, I want you to know that it has high levels of potassium, which needs to be replaced every single day. It aids in weight loss, it lowers cholesterol, and it lowers the blood sugar, so it's great for diabetics. Let's take a look at the formulas. So first, we're going to take a glass of warm water, 8 to 12 ounces. You're going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a tablespoon of a sweetener of your choice. It can be honey, maple syrup, it can be stevia, or I even have amber coconut nectar here. So let's just start with the basic recipe. So I have 12 ounces of warm water here. That's what we're going to start with. I'm going to take my tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and I'm going to add it in. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar is best. Today I'm going to use honey. The warm water will help it to melt quickly. Now that I've blended that, this is your basic recipe: warm water, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Now let's take a look at how we do a detox drink. So we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon, and then we've got right here in the cup, we've got a half a teaspoon of ginger, a dash of cayenne, and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to put those in. This is if you want to do a detox and a cleansing. This is your drink. Every morning is the best time to take these drinks. It will help curb your appetite and it will give you lots of energy for the day. So apple cider vinegar drink can be done year-round. This detox drink is only done for a short period of time, maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks at the most. But this is your way to get healthy and energized and just go for it in your day. Start your day off great every day with apple cider vinegar.